The dollar deal promo begins today. Yes, the paper plastic. The going green promo begins today. And for the next 6 days, anything that you ship that comes to us in a plastic envelope or in a paper bag, the shipping cost on your invoice is going to be $1. Irrespective of how much it weighs, it's still going to be $1. And yes, there are people around this office that do not want you to know that this promo begins today. We're keeping their fingers crossed, hoping that you did not pay attention to the many pieces of communication telling you about the promo, because they're just absolutely nervous Nelly, thinking that you're going to put us out of business. But if you did not put us out of business on Platinum Day that you could ship anything, any amount of package, no matter what the size is, and get it absolute free, and you didn't put us out of business on January 26, 2022, on the last Platinum Day, we have no fear that you'll put us out of business with a few envelopes. That said, let me get into the nitty-gritty of this promo. As you know, I always pull the promotion apart for you so you could understand all the pitfalls and that got you, because we really want you to take advantage of this promotion. So number one, you have to be a platinum member to participate in this promotion. Any promotion that we ever release will require you to be a platinum member. Platinum membership is absolutely free. It was free yesterday. It is free today. It will continue to be free tomorrow. And if you're not a platinum member, you're just absolutely crazy. Enjoy the benefits of 4 free shipping coupon annually, and get a free shipping coupon the day you sign up. You just have to be a platinum member to enjoy any kind of promotion or production that we do. This particular dollar deal, it runs from April 28th until May 3rd. So all packages that arrive in envelope, regardless of the weight, the shipping cost will only be $1. So this does not absorb you of any other costs, mainly duty or delivery charge. Those charges apply. So this $1 apply to your shipping charge. Next, it is important and imperative that you understand that this discount does not apply to packages that you combine. Now, all the envelopes in this warehouse is already marked ineligible. So if you have an item that arrived on the 27th of April 2022, you will not be able to receive that $1 shipping charge on that particular envelope. Now, this is not applicable to combined packages. Do not combine your package if you wish to get the shipping cost for your envelopes to be $1. So if you buy 2 or 3 packages from Shein and you have it in mind to combine them, do not combine them. You will only be charged, if it comes in a paper or plastic envelope, only $1. But what happens if your package arrives in a box? You'll be charged normal shipping charge. And what happens if you buy a pair of shoes and it arrives in a box, but it's in a plastic envelope? Well, we have taken the executive decision to qualify that as an envelope. Yes, you heard right. So if your item arrives in a box that's in an envelope, it is an envelope, and you're getting the $1 deal on that. We have reliably and consistently bring you some of the best promotions, bring you a great quality service, some of the best price in the marketplace, fast shipping, reliable shipping, and some amazing mind-blowing promotion, starting with Platinum Day, where you ship as many packages as you want for free, no matter what the weight is. Yes, and Platinum Day is an annual promotion. So sit tight, fasten your seatbelt for Platinum Day 2023. And this $1 bag deal, it is real. It is amazing. Tell your friends, tell your family about it. Bring your friends and family to join us and earn a free shipping coupon to ship a package up to £5. That's right. Not only do you have the platinum benefits, but you do get free shipping coupon for referral. See you there, see you square.